Hi, this is Mima and you're watching I'm Girl You Don't Know. These are the best grow your nails tips on the internet that you will find, and I will share with you all the details on how you can also achieve long and healthy nails. So if you're interested, we will go in details and get ready to grow your nails. Let's go! Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make a conscious decision that you want to actually grow your nails long. All starts in your mind, so decision made. Since you're watching this video, apparently you want to grow your nails. So here are all the tips included. So the first thing I feel like everyone knows, which is to apply oils. Yes, so the best nail oil to use would be jojoba oil, and jojoba oil is actually supposed to mimic natural oil that your nails produce, or at least like your body. It will absorb better into your nail plate and it will actually leave your nails stronger. At least that is what is happening in my case. I'm using pure jojoba oil. It's just in this potion like bottle, but if you don't have jojoba oil, you can use coconut oil or olive oil to start with, and just apply it whenever you feel like it, whenever you like remember to apply it. It will actually help your nails so much. It's the most important tip in this whole video. Trust me, it works. You will see results through the week. Another tip that is also super important is not to cut your cuticles, because you will actually damage the nail plate and the rest of your fingers, so don't do that. And also don't push back your cuticles with this metal tool if you're a beginner. I mean, later you can, but best way is to use your fingers to push back your other hand's cuticles, and this will actually allow your nail plate to kind of show more. And while time passes and you're actually pushing back your cuticles, you will start to notice that your nail plate is getting bigger, and that is because you're pushing back your cuticles and not cutting them. So yes, another thing that is also super important when it comes to growing your nails is, another question that I get a lot is, can I apply nail oil even though I wear nail polish? Yes, please, you should. You definitely should apply nail oil whenever you feel like it, whenever you have time. Whenever it crosses my mind, I apply nail oil because this actually helps your nails to grow. And yes, we want that natural nail growth. And you see, also I'm showing you here that you need to file your nails. I'm using glass nail files, so if you're using glass nail file, you can go in both directions, but if you're using the classic nail file, just go in one direction. You don't want to make any tears or splits in your nails. And also, just like your hair, your nails have to be like very strong and secure on the tips of your nails, because if they're not, they're gonna break off or split. So kind of do a little bit of filing whenever you remove your nail polish. And also another tip that is super important is that you also should have some kind of like nail polish on your nails. It doesn't matter if that is clear nail polish. Yes, it can be clear nail polish, because if you don't have anything on your nails, you notice that your nail polish kind of chips. Yes, it does happen, but if you don't have any nail polish, you have anything to protect your natural nail plate. And nail polishes actually do that. They protect our natural nail plate, so that way you're actually tearing nail polish and not your nail when you're getting like wear and tear, you know. So that's one of the tips as well, and it's super important. And I'm here just admiring how pretty my nails look with just like regular base coat. Yeah, I know. Okay, moving on. So if you just really love nail polish like I do and the rest of the world, you're gonna apply any nail polish color of your choice and always have it on your nails. I know that some people say that your nails need to breathe, but that's actually a myth, and that is not true. Your nails are dead. They really don't need to breathe, you know. So, you know, no need for that. But cuticle oil is a must for this. I have to say that's most important tip, you will notice the huge difference when it comes to applying cuticle oil and doing all those tips that I included in this video. You will definitely see results. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and entertaining and also helpful for you guys, because that is what I wanted this video to be. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something new, and I hope we all grow our nails together. It doesn't matter if your nails are short or long, what it matters is that you're taking care of it. And if you're following what I'm showing you in this video or in my other videos, you will see that you will always have nice and groomed nails and hands, and trust me, that's super important. And we all just love feeling ladylike and just being chic. At least I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments, because I love reading your feedback. And as I always say, never let anyone dull your sparkle. See you in my next video. Bye.